thumbnail. Hey man, Redeye Ride here, man. Shout out to my boy Stunner Reese for pulling up, man, to the event. He's hosting. This is his first time seeing the rap.
Yes.
Tell me what you think.
Man, bro, I'm impressed.
Racing this thing. No engine in it, all electric.
That's the engine right there. Oh, body armor.
You hear me? He gonna need that body armor.
Oh, Lord. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it because...
Rain is at it again, calling any and everybody out.
And I'm talking about racing.
Look,
I got my
any
tires
and
in the car.
everybody out.
Y'all,
The tater tots
I'm
with
gonna show
it.
y'all how to eat. That was potatoes.
You see, he had Kentucky Fried Chicken, Chick-fil-A, candy, and all this shit this morning.
I had that last night.
Come on, man. But nah, all jokes aside, man, make sure y'all follow my guy, man. Young C's in the building. That's _, Young C's _.
Yeah, tell him, check the drip.
He said check the drip. What drip? You got them bedroom shorts, bro. Them shit you go to sleep in.
This the shit that's supposed to wear.
Bro, them shit, that's what you go to sleep in.
This real comfortable for fat days.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Bigger or smaller. But check out this car, man. Let's see what's going on here, man. Definitely see what's going on over here, man. They getting me right. Getting this thing clean. For the first time, man, since revealing it. This color shift is crazy. This color shift is crazy. Man, shout out to the bros at Destination Detail, man. They always take care of me, man. Every time I come to Charlotte, if y'all in the Charlotte area, make sure y'all hit them. Make sure y'all pull up. Let them know, man, Rod sent you. Here you go right here. Boom, tap it in. Yes, sir, we got you. The only people that touch my car outside of me. And as y'all can see, they do the damn thing. They take care of you. And we got this sick shit over here. Shout out to the boy Dre, man. He done pulled up. He getting the car right. We see you. We see you. Man. Pop it off. Pop it off.
Hey, man, IG, Dre _Beck 23. You feel me? Shout out to 718 Brooklyn. Shout out to CLT Charlotte, Queen City. You already know. IG, like I said, DRE _Effect 23. Hit the link. You see the channel, Dre Effect. You already know.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all follow the broski, man. Then we got the guy Toro over here. Sheesh. His new rap is stupid with it. That Toro rap crazy. Yo, look at the details. Look at the details. You gotta be something kind of different. Look. That man got his name. He's got his name on the trunk. Come on, man. And then you know, look. That's signature right there. That's signature. And if you don't know, man, tap in with my broski. But this right here, this is the best part of the car for me. Tell me what your best part is. That is different. Engraved on the hood. Come on, man. Tap in with my bro, Toro _704, man. You ain't pay, right? You ain't. Come on, man. Fuck with your boy, man. Come on, man.
I gotta introduce myself. They don't know me, man.
They
My
don't
name
know
is
you? Tell
E-Vapors, man. E-V-A-P-O-R-S. E-Vapors. That's me. Motivation, Cars, and Money, baby. Car Talk TV, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got here in the Tesla today, though.
We in the
Tesla today.
Ooh, okay.
We in the Tesla, you know what I'm saying? All electric, no gas. Didn't cost me a dime to come down here. Actually, it cost about $5. $5 to go here and back home.
Ooh.
Now you find me a Hellcat that can do that.
Money saving flex right there.
That's what. Hey, it's nothing wrong with saving money.
We can show you 2 Hellcats, take $5 to get from here to gate.
Oh, okay, there you go. That's what I was to the gate.
$3 is a startup.
Oh, so when you start, it's $3.
$3.
Okay, I'm in the right car right
You're
now.
in the right
I need
car.
my $3.
This thing nice, man.
No, thank you, man. I mean, I love the white interior, man. That's like.
Open this up, so I can get this.
Oh yeah, that's like my favorite part.
Fold the doors up, show it all.
Yeah.
Oh, no, let's open that trunk up too. Let's open that. Let's get the ice cooler out. Ain't no engine up in here.
He said it ain't no engine
Ain't no
up here.
You know, we got a little bit of Gatorade up in there though. You know what I'm saying? Got a little bit of Gatorade.
Yes,
No
sir. Man, this thing nice. I'm not gonna lie, you convinced me more and more about thinking about it.
And look, it drove me down here.
I hate watching your lives, man, because it makes me
I
feel
hate
some type of
watching
way. Because not in a bad way,
No,
but
no,
it's
I
like
feel you.
I'll be at Tesla like, yo, this thing different.
Hey,
Well, yeah, man.
how you doing?
Hey, man, shout him out, man. Where can he
What's up, man?
Hey
So-
man, hey man, just to let y'all know, man, this is one half of the best couple channel coming out right now, Jen and Rail. They got my other half. Come on over here. This is the other half, you know what I'm saying? So we out here, man. Salute to the homie Ride, man, for giving us the opportunity to be on this channel. We just trying to run them numbers up, man. Everybody going up this year, 2021, 22. Make sure you subscribe to the homie, subscribe to us, like, share, and comment. You dig? Like I said, remember I told you how this new couple channel coming around.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all go ahead, man. Do exactly what he said. It's free.
Lock in. It don't cost you nothing.
It's free.
Don't come. You know what? Hey, look. Take if y'all on y'all computer, hit that QR code right there. It's gonna take you right there to it. Easy day.
Yes, sir.
Easy day.
Yes,
Easy
sir.
day.
Tap in.
Yes, sir. Appreciate
Yeah, that y'all are.
We 1-1.
Oh, y'all 1-1. Okay, I only heard about the one that she won.
We won 2 times. We 1-1.
Oh, okay. She didn't tell me about that one.
No. So Rod had to go back and watch the video probably like 400 times. So
Just one time when I
my
uploaded
light lit up first, but his time was a better time. So who really won?
Well, you won the race because there are plenty of races that it's on you. There are plenty of races that you left late, but you had a faster time, but you left late and you crossed the finish line after the winner.
Yeah. Because see, the time don't start until you leave.
But in racing, you could say, let's bet on the light.
Yep.
Let's bet on the 60 foot.
Yep.
And then let's bet on who win the overall race. Let's bet on who had the highest top speed crossing the line. So it sounds like you had the higher top speed, right, Rod?
I don't remember.
He had the better
Okay.
time.
Yeah.
His speed was higher.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Right.
Yeah.
She caught you on the light though.
She caught you on the light.
No, he had me on the light.
I had the light.
So you won at the end.
called on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, I got you.
So,
In Rod's defense, you have a
listen,
lighter car.
Where I'm from, we look at the time.
The time, okay.
Oh,
We
God.
look at the time.
It's
where
like
I'm from.
spades. You know, no matter what, depending on what state you're in,
Yeah.
Right.
the rules are different with
Yeah.
spades.
Big
hey, I
So,
swear,
hey,
it's different.
They
No.
tripping and cheating. I ain't even gonna
Look,
hold
Your
y'all.
big joker might not be my big
Right,
Man,
where, you know,
they get to cheat that eighth though.
where I live, we
Don't
play
let
Uno.
don't let a book walk. It ain't supposed to.
Oh.
Right, but look, up north they play Uno different.
Yeah.
I was playing with somebody from Baltimore. I said, I don't even know the rules now.
Hey.
I thought when you had one card, you got Uno.
Yeah. Right.
Apparently you don't.
Hey.
I don't know how to win. So
That's it.
Baltimore, I need to learn how to play Uno. Can somebody explain to me?
And you know they got some new cars now too, so you gotta be careful.
Man, look,
You know what I mean? I need a classic car.
I need to cross the North Carolina state line.
Yeah, they
before
got
I
like
play
Uno Attack where
I
you
don't
can
want none of
switch
that. I want the
hands.
classic pack. I want the classic.
Or you could
pack.
drop a color card and every color in that hand
Yeah.
get a drop.
No,
Bruh, I don't know about that.
no.
But I was look, just to come back to it.
Yeah.
I was talking
That's like,
about
man,
Yeah.
racing this thing. No engine in it, all electric.
that's the engine right there.
the engine
Body
right
on.
You hear me? He gonna need that body armor.
Oh Lord. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to
I
it because
Rain is at it again, calling any and everybody
When
out.
I'm
Hey,
talking about racing,
look,
I got my
any
tires
and
in the car.
everybody
Y'all know
out.
this.
y'all, my new nickname gonna be the barbershop. Just line it up.
You fucking hear
Just
me?
line it up. Call me the barbershop. Just
Call
line
it
it up.
the
I don't want to hear about
barbershop.
it. And look, I don't have to get in no launch mode. I ain't gotta change my transmission settings.
I feel like
ain't
you're
gotta
talking to me
change.
right now.
I'm
All
sorry.
of us.
I feel like you're talking to me
I
right
am. Subliminal. I ain't gotta change nothing. I ain't gotta
Oh,
change
so y'all
nothing.
already raced?
I ain't no. Cause he got he got trans brake. He got all these different settings and everything. It's like he on the Starship Enterprise. Got all these different buttons and stuff, right? By the time he hit all them buttons, I'm gonna be crossing the finish line.
So what you got?
1320.
1320.
To the wheel?
No.
My bad. I wish I had 1320.
Oh, I know. I was about to say,
Hey,
whoa.
look. You have to hop out.
I was about to say, no.
Hey,
No
look,
race.
no more.
No race. No race. No race. 1320.
I'd be calling Dog Man if I had
You
something like
hear
that.
me?
Facts.
You know
Facts.
we be out here if you put the 1320.
Yeah, but no, the 1320 is a nice one. You don't see them a whole lot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Now, how you set it up matters. So I've been watching you learning.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He went and got him a little helmet and stuff.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? He been going to all the events.
Yep. That's a big fact.
Because there's a lot of people that talk about their race, but they never hit the track.
Never
I
there.
know.
They never there. And that's called a street racer. So you just gotta make sure you qualify.
No. Because even street racing, because you can fight all day long on the streets, but unless you've been in that ring, you ain't got no title.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, I want to be able to fight on the street too, though, because if I'm going
Street
to Walmart,
racing is a class of its own. We're not gonna discredit street racing.
that's what I was saying. That's why I gave
It's
it
a class of its own for sure.
I gave it a class.
Some people they scared of the track,
Yeah. No, you're right. You exactly
but
right.
you get them on that, you get a roll,
They
tear your ass up.
40 rolls,
But that's
60
when
rolls.
you can really test how fast your car is and who's really real. Because street racing, the street ain't always the best, like the prep, the tires, different stuff like that. So you can't even do your horsepower.
Each one got its
But
own.
that's the love of it.
That's the love of it.
That's
I mean,
what they like.
that's the love of racing. Yeah, I get it. I race.
You know,
so
some
I get
people
it.
cars aren't good from a dig, but you
Yeah.
catch them on them high gears,
But they
it's
got road racing. So that's no excuse.
not the same.
Some people need to be.
What's
in
the fastest
traffic
roll
and
you can
going
get at the track?
around
25,
somebody's
maybe
vein
30 miles an
to get a
hour?
rush.
And run them off the
What?
road.
Right.
40?
They need the rush.
The average road race is 60 roll.
But most people need the rush of Charlotte Police Department behind them.
Yeah.
That's a real racer needs a police behind them.
Yeah.
But look, if a dog was chasing me, I generally run faster.
Yeah.
I can run fast,
Yeah.
but if a dog is chasing me, pit bulls specifically,
Oh, we
I
out.
run faster.
Yeah.
So if you got the police behind you, street racers need that.
You start
thrill.
unlocking different abilities.
Yeah.
Right. You start unlocking all kind of buttons.
The extra calf
Yeah,
muscle
all
start
good.
working.
Yeah,
You know,
bro. Like,
So,
I never ran
so
this
street
fast
racing
before.
and racing on the track. two
Yeah,
different
nah,
worlds.
it's a difference, man. And some people just don't care to get on the track.
Facts,
Yeah.
facts.
They rather get on that roll.
Yeah.
Shit, to be honest with you, it's more money made in street racing than at the
Oh, yeah.
track.
Well, it depends. It's some big grudge races at the track now.
It is, but what I'm saying is throughout the week, like continuously.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause
That's
they
not
racing
even.
every
That's
night.
not advertised.
Right.
We get a track, that's it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That's true. So you
That's
need to be
not.
good.
But what I'm saying is the street race is not advertised. It's Monday through Sunday.
No, you right.
People
Yeah.
losing money every day. Somebody losing their money right now.
Right now.
What's losing money? You losing your car.
Somebody's losing money right now, and possibly their car.
Yeah.
So our public endorsement is take it to the track. Take it
to the track.
Take it to the track.
Make sure they don't.
And if you see the Tesla at the track,
I'm about to fuck
you
it up.
better not spin.
Uh-oh.
Cat on his ass.
See,
Uh-oh.
you better not spin.
Oh, no, I ain't gonna
You better
spin.
not spin.
Hey, you don't even you should have raced me before I even get my drag pack set up. You should have been racing me.
Look, let me
but
tell you-
now I'm about to tear that ass up.
I'm gonna tell you what I like to do. I like to get out my car on the drag strip. I take off, get out the car, take a picture, and then get back in and finish the race.
I'm gonna do my hands out the window. Like I passed you. I'm gone.
That man in rare form.
Hey, man.
I'm gone.
I'm just saying, we gonna do it though.
Hey, the next
We
event.
ain't ducking. I owe Toro a race.
Yep.
Toro done spent $8,000 since I said I was gonna race. He had to spend $1. I said I want to race you. I'm dead serious. He didn't have a helmet. He didn't have no back tires. As soon as I said I want
Got
to
new
race,
rims.
he went in, got back tires, got rims, and wrapped his car. So I can't find him now. I don't know what his car is like. He ducking.
Ducking.
He ducking.
Hey, but see,
man.
you know my motto about people ducking. And look, if anybody uses this phrase, I'm gonna need to get some kind of kickback. Okay.
Yeah.
So the thing about ducking smoke, man, my number one rule is I can't duck the smoke because my knees broke.
There you go.
I like that.
So we
Knees
not
broke.
ducking.
I can't duck no
Knees
smoke.
broke.
I had ACL surgery, so I can use that. I can't duck smoke to my knees.
Hey.
You and Drake gonna race, right?
Yeah, of course.
Loser gotta go to the dealership and get their car appraised.
Unlike me. I already got mine appraised.
Oh, so then shake on it.
Unlike me, bro.
Can we shake on
I
it?
want me to race it, bro. Bro, just shake on it.
So loser, you see this, right? Loser gotta go to the dealership with me and get their shit appraised.
Yeah. Yes.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna win.
If you lose, what happened?
I'm not losing, so I don't know.
So what? All right, what's
I
the
don't lose.
loser supposed to do?
Those are supposed to do, take their car to the dealership and get it fixed.
He's shaking it. Hey man, Redeye Ride here, man. Shout out to my boy Stunner Reese for pulling up, man, to the event. He's hosting. This is first time seeing the rap.
Yes.
Tell me what you think.
Man, bro, I'm impressed. I'm impressed not only by the color, because the color is like, I've never seen this color on a rap before. It's like a bronze that shifts to like a raspberry red. I love it. You know what I'm saying? But to know that you actually installed this, bruh, y'all need to be lined up, you know what I'm saying, hollering at this man, to get y'all cars wrapped, man. The install is ridiculously clean, you know what I'm saying? I honestly thought he went to a shop that's been doing it for years and had it applied, but man, but the color is wicked, for real, for real. Definitely.
It's official, man. Hey, if Stunner Reese approved, man, I'm good. At the end of the day, I had a little doubt.
Nah.
A lot of people tell me I need to cut a little bit of the humbleness off and kind of be a little direct and, you know, celebrate a little more. All I know is being humble, man.
Hey, man,
you as good as...
Listen, he part of the family, man. Y'all rock with me, y'all rock with him, man. Hey, he in this game, man, heavy, man. Doing big things for the culture. Definitely an icon, up and coming icon. So make sure y'all tune in to my boy, man, Redeye Rod, man. He bring y'all that heat. Redeye?
Every 3 months.
Yeah.
Every 3 months we rapping.
Yeah. Who else doing that? Who else doing that? So that alone is legendary. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
So make sure y'all tune in, man. Let's go.
Tap in, man. Get that.
No, it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Every car. What's up, man? I need a fit for you. I'm trying to get my innovator right now.
I know that's right, cause we family. You know how it is. Y'all know. Oh damn, I ain't want to.
You good. Redeye Ride, man. Hey, man. Shout out to Stunner Reed. Shout out to Burroughs. Shout out to SRT Breeze. Shout out to everybody that came out here. This event definitely was one to remember. Everybody loves the rap, man. I see it. Everybody loved the rap, man. The rap actually, I wasn't sure if everybody would take liking to it. Whether they did or didn't, it didn't matter. But yeah, I think everybody loved the rap. Everybody loading up to get up out of here. We about to head up out of here too. We about to see what Charlotte got in store for us. We about to really turn up in Charlotte. Let's see what Charlotte got. Shout out to everybody, man, that stopped by and said what up to the kid. Shout out to everybody who watched the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bells on. We're gonna turn this shit up as soon as we can. And as always, man, it's free. I want the cheapest things in life for the cheapest price. And I got that damn car wrapped for the low, because I decided to do a little bit of research, educate myself on how to rap, and I was able to get that done. Man, make sure y'all tap in with your boy, man. More to come. Stay tuned.